Stunning and spacious 3-bed/2-bath villa, the largest model in the Villas of Sandpiper Bay. Fully furnished, beautifully updated, and move-in ready, all on one level. Enjoy tranquil pond views from the enclosed patio plus a screened covered patio perfect for outdoor lounging. Modern kitchen boasts granite counters, marble backsplash and SSD/West and fridge. Both bathrooms have elegant walk-in showers. 2023 tankless water heater, impact and double-glazed windows, with shutters, and an outdoor shower in the private courtyard. Resort-style community with heated pool/spa and private dock on the St Lucie River, ideal for fishing, sunsets and social gatherings. Close to the beach, restaurants and shopping. No rentals allowed during first year of ownership. After that, 3 times/year minimum 30 days.